Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to let you know they have had so many cute new things out at the Dollar Tree. I happen to be in at one of the new locations, and this is just as we walk in the door. I think they're doing a fabulous job. This used to be the old Pier 1 import store, and I have already got some goodies in my, share with you. These are just too cute, adorable for $1. I'm actually going to give them to a family member, one of my aunts, and this will be cute for her outside to put next to her house. All right, let's take off. Let's see what else they have today. And they have a good variety right now of flowers because I'll be making some wreaths again for the summer. So do check that out. And they have the greenery to go with it. Okay. And they do have some awesome pots that are left, just a couple. And they're pretty good size. All right, guys, I'll just put you on hold for a moment, and we'll go to the next aisle and see what they got. Hey, guys, they have some great skewers and picnic ideas coming up, just to give you an idea what they have down this row. I think I will probably end up with a few items here as well. Can't go wrong for this summer. Thank you, guys. Let's see what we got going on. And who doesn't need some good snacks coming up for the summer? This is a great day to pack. And they have so much to choose from. I'll probably get one of each for those. They have a huge selection of dog toys and variety of treats. I'm telling you, my two chihuahuas will love this. This is great. And I'm going to shift over here for just a second. All these, I'm going to actually be getting some of these for my house and some for my relative. They have quite a few selections, and I need to get some organization done here pretty soon. Okay, let's see what we end up finding. I'll be right back, guys. Something I wanted to share with you that worked really well for me. They have the painting aisle. And this has been great for $1. Just to kind of give you an idea here. The caulking. And it does work for the sinks, the bathrooms, and the tubs. I've used that. And I've also used these to touch up anything for my projects. And what I really like is you can have the 2-inch brushes for $1. And one more thing I was going to share with you. Oh, here they are, the sanding blocks. They're almost out. These work really, really well. And I'm going to grab one of these as well. This is for all my touch-up projects. Okay. And I'll put you on hold, and I'll be right back, guys. Oh my gosh, guys, look what I found. These are awesome. And they're $1 each. And they have the adhesive backing on it. And you can just basically bring anything to life. This will be so great on some of the projects I have. I'm so excited to use these. So watch my future videos and you guys will see what we put in. Add that to my cart and we'll keep going.